Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Eid special Hyderabadi Mutton curry. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's take half kg mutton and wash it properly. For marinating mutton, add 2 teaspoons chili powder, required amount of salt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 full lemon juice. Let's refrigerate for half an hour. We need to prepare the masala paste for making this Hyderabadi mutton curry. Take 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, small piece of cinnamon, small piece of mace, 3 cardamom, 2 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 pieces of cloves, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds and 10 cashews. Fry all the ingredients together in a dry pan, and when you get aroma from these ingredients, turn off the stove and make it like a thick paste. In the same pan, let's add 2 teaspoon oil and fry 1 big onion roughly chopped. When the onion turns brown in color, let's turn off the stove and grind it to a fine paste. Let's take a cooker and add little oil to it. For tempering, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 big onion finely chopped. When the onion is cooked, let's add 1 cup of tomato puree and fry it well with the onions. Now let's add the grinded masala paste. Mix it well with the tomato. Along with that, add the onion paste. Also add 1 teaspoon chili powder and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix and fry it well. Let's add the marinated mutton to this masala. Fry the mutton well with the masala. Only then the masala will get into the mutton and it will taste good. You should fry this until you get the mutton stock. You can see that the oil is released, and at this stage you can add required amount of salt for the masala paste, as we had already added salt while marinating mutton. After that, let's add 2 cups of water. Mix the water along with the masala and mutton and check whether the tempering is correct. Keep whistle in a medium flame for 15 minutes. Now our mutton is cooked perfectly and our Hyderabadi mutton curry is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.